Here, since you like long hair, that you could put that on.
Oh, dude.
You put that on.
That could be a cool new look, man, for my receding hairline. That's a rock and roll, man. This is what happens when we don't come to houses that we buy. First time we've been here, and after 3 doors, we find the lockbox on the railing. So I was all ready with a speech to yell at our guys for not getting keys in the lockbox, but they did their job. Maybe. All right. Do you want me to carry you across the threshold?
No, I'm good.
You sure? Ooh, lived in. Wow.
So this is the first time we're coming in here and seeing this house in the condition that the sellers left it.
Well, somehow they managed to get the TV. I don't know how they got that to the Philippines.
I think they gave stuff away to people.
Okay.
So,
well,
when your pull-up bar becomes a hanging rod. Okay, so we did buy this house as a rental. So this is going to take minimal effort to get cleaned up.
all right, I'm going to do the...
Dude,
nice.
you could return that to Menards.
Still with a tag. That's perfect. Somebody was acting as their own plumber.
Yeah.
Well, no real treasures up here, but they sure made use of the space. I don't know what's happening here with the cabinet that
Chimney's there.
just happened to fit.
That's the
maybe.
closet. Again, so this isn't, you got a bathroom up here, half bath. Good enough to get ready in. So.
Works, flushing toilet. So we determined rental just because of size and cost.
Here, since you like long hair, that you could put that on.
Oh, dude.
You put that on.
That could be a cool new look, man, for my receding hairline. That's a rock and roll, man.
Can't believe you put
that
on.
Let me get this. Oh, that's gross. I didn't even think about that.
Like, what's the... Dude, you're making me itch just thinking about it. Why would you do that?
It's not like there's bugs in it.
Dude, you have no idea what's in that. You just look at this place and you just put so much wig on your head. We should have had the guitar for you up there, too.
I was going to get the Stratocaster right now, but you didn't let me.
Oh, man.
Oh, look at this rare find. Behind the cans, behind the vermicelli, all-purpose flour. Bro, this is an LED enchanted rose in the box still, okay? My anniversary's coming up. February 5th, man, 30 years.
I bet Lou would like that.
This would be the touch right here.
No, see, you pick something like that, but then I'm going to go and say, okay, the brand new push broom. That's more my style. Like, this is value.
LED enchanted rose.
Okay, so what's the consensus of social media? If you're in a house and you come across the enchanted rose, is that what you take?
With LED galaxy light. Awesome. LED galaxy light. Makes all the difference.
Or a brand new 24-inch push broom.
Liebman, high power, Menards quality.
I mean, it's definitely worth more.
And it's made in the USA.
But this is what I would choose to take out of this house along with the pipe wrench that I found earlier. You're going to choose the enchanted rose for your anniversary gift. And how many years have you been married?
30. 30 years.
30, isn't that what you get at 30 years?
Look at with the lights on the side. Come on.
Lou, I'm excited for your 30-year gift.
Do not spoil this for me out there, okay? This is a moment, okay? We just dust the top. Crap. Everything's okay. It's all intact. All right.
Let's go see what we got waiting downstairs.
Let's find the basement. Oh, yeah. It just gets nicer and nicer, man. Sewing machine. Come on.
The traction table, actually.
Hello. That's gold right there.
Is there even room to flip yourself upside down in here?
Find out. Get in there.
I don't think you can.
Oh, yeah. Yep. That's all you, buddy. Get in there.
Don't you go all the way? Aren't you supposed to go all the way?
What? Well, you show us.
I've never done one of these before. How do you do that?
Here, let's lock your ankles in. Oh, yeah.
Okay, if I fall in this, I'm going to be pissed.
Okay, get your head back. Okay.
I don't want to put my head up.
And now you
What?
Now you
Dude, it actually feels pretty good.
Isn't that good?
Yeah. All right, you do the rest of this
here.
while I hang out.
I'm pretty sure it's, yeah, it's locked now. You're done, buddy.
Woo!
Nice job on the
All
traction
right.
machine. Bro, that's worth the house, right?
Dude,
there.
I would take this home. I mean,
that's money there, baby. Look at with a heating pad, okay? And it's
I'm sure it vibrates and everything else there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Great find.
Yep, that's it.
You didn't have to flip me
Now
that
I'm
fast,
happy about
though.
this purchase.
Man,
Well, that and the rose, the enchanted rose that we'll be bringing up.
I forgot to bring a flashlight in with me.
Woo! Two more guitars, one electric again. Uh-oh. What do we got
boy.
here? Interesting.
You
Nice
never know
little-
what you
Nice
know
little
what you
study.
get. Okay.
Some Pokemon cards. Well, you know, most guys would be checking out the basement walls, see if there's any leaks. We're looking for treasure.
What are you
at this
gonna
point.
find?
So
It's all
It's all
drywalled.
drywall. It's all good. So no staining. Carpets are dry.
Here's the thing, I will say that. So when we come down to a basement, it's one of those things. We do try to check out the walls. We're not always just looking at the stuff that's in the house. But we do look at the walls. We look at mechanicals. In this case, we don't get to see much because they have it finished. But the good thing is there's no musty smell. There's no, other than like product smell or animal smell, there's no like basement-y type smells down here. So I think that's a positive. It feels dry. It doesn't feel like there's moisture in the air. Where'd Matt go? Oh, he found a light in here. Dude, you need this to go. Why don't they take, this is what you need to get back and forth to the Maldives,
Yeah,
man.
baby. I've
That's a
never
suitcase.
seen that. Is fantastic.
You can fit at least 3 children in there.
That is perfect, man. Nice locking straps on here.
That's way better than a tote.
Look at that.
No, it's the
Oh,
straps.
it's the straps on there too.
Just-
Heck yeah, baby. Is that airline requirements? Do you think that fits?
It for sure does.
That is solid. Look at that.
That's all you.
Yep.
Go for it, man.
Bringing that one back. Yep.
You should, because that's the only way you're getting the enchanted rose without it breaking.
Yep. Pack that baby in there good. All right, well, we have
can't
poured
get
foundation walls. We have good Bryant Mechanicals, brand new, newish.
Newish.
But look at Plenum's even new tin.
That was installed on
22.
February 1st, 22. So 3 years
water
old.
heater looks newer. So good mechanicals, good foundation. Nothing that we can see as visible leaks. It's basically a big clean out. And wow, the treasures just keep coming.
That's like a Pocahontas suit for Lou.
Yep, I'll tell you what.
For you with a scuba diving suit.
With scuba diving, with a wetsuit. So, yep, that could be some role play. 30 years coming up. I mean, come on. The Enchanted Rose in a Pocahontas outfit. Let's go. Yep.
Okay.
All right, well.
There's always something for everybody here. I mean, there's...
Another good buy?
Here's what, though. Over the weekend, somebody contacted me of a single mom that just got out of an abusive relationship, and she's looking for stuff for her kid because she has nothing. So as this does look like a lot of junk to people, there are people that there's a lot of value in things that are here. So we will allow somebody like that to come through and just kind of go through and take the things that they want before we throw them away. But Matt, just in case you are thirsty, there's some Coke down here waiting for you to...
It just doesn't look old enough. That's the problem. That one's been here too recently. So just not quite the challenge in there. Georgia peach. Now, if you can find a date on there that gets it into the 50s or 60s.
There is a date. My eyes don't allow me to see that anymore.
A couple of old men here looking at the...
June 24th of 20. I mean, it's only 5 years out of date.
Yeah, that's easy. Too easy.
That's still good.
Yeah, we want 20 years or more.
Right.
All right, well, let's get on to the next. This is a great house, a great buy. And, you know, who knows? We could even put this on the market and see if it sells before we take it over. Old concrete laundry tub. Nobody wants to replace that.
We got to see what is outside in the sheds. But I am taking this stuff. We need keys here. Go see what's outside. Every house has a shop vac, a seed spreader, and a landscape rake. Every single one. And this house is no different. This is probably, in 20 years of doing this, I'm not joking, probably the 50th table saw that's been left. It's just, and I'm not exaggerating, probably the thousands, the thousands of gas cans that people leave behind.
I used to collect them until...
I did, and I sold them at a rummage sale this summer for $1 a piece. Had like 30 of them. I'm like, you know what, I'll just start grabbing these things. So, $1 a piece, and people took them like crazy. All right, we got another shop. We got another shop here too.
New opener for sure. First time ever, it looks like, when they installed that. For some reason, they took the switches out. This is the scary stuff.
Oh, jeez! I hate mice!
Oh, oh yeah.
The thing like jumped off and just died.
No, it's still moving. Oh, they're everywhere. Come on.
Yeah, they are everywhere. They're literally coming out of the woodwork.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes, up the wall. Up the wall. See it? Oh, it just did a launch. Yes.
That's what it did the first time.
Woo! It's jumping.
Decent ladder in there. What else is in here?
See, this is the scary like man cave thing. If you got to put a heater in here and come outside in your own little shed, like, yeah, there's no tools in here. Like, come on. There's not good stuff happening in here.
I think at some point there might have been. But
yeah, we'll just let those things die with the rest of the house.
Well, all right, so we are going to get a couple dumpsters here, and guys, and they're going to start cleaning this out.
This has some siding issues on the front too.
So this is going to be a couple weeks till this one's done. Can I just point out to everybody, I hate mice, I hate rodents, whether they're mice or rats or snakes. They're just things here on Earth that I don't care. I don't care.
Okay.
You know what? Many mighty things are that big. Depends on who you talk to. If you talk to David, a stone that big did great things.
You know how big the stone was. I want you to eat those berries right now.
No.
Put those in your mouth.
Let's get out of here.